Hello and welcome back to Charlie's Last Chance to Beat Obesity.
I'm Charlie.
And I'm Mark. What are we doing today, Charlie?
Well, we're out and about. We're building up steps because I am going to take on a 1 million step challenge. I'm going to launch it today.
A 1 million step challenge. Tell me more, Charlie.
Well, starting on June the 1st, I'm going to be doing an average of 10,800 steps per day, raising money for charity, but doing it for two reasons, Mark.
And what are those two reasons, Charlie?
Well, reason number one, as part of the weight loss campaign, I want to build up my steps. And reason number two, we're going to raise some money for the Tom Clark Foundation.
The Tom Clark Foundation. Tell me more. What is the Tom Clark Foundation?
Well, me and you have got really good friends, Scott and Jill. Their son Tom sadly passed away a couple of years ago from cancer. Scott and Jill and Emily, their daughter, have set up an amazing charity called the Tom Clark Foundation, raising money for lots of different causes to do with cancer and Crohn's disease. And it's a great cause, and it's a great tribute to Tom, who was an amazing person, wasn't he?
Absolutely, yeah. Brilliant. So you've set yourself a goal of doing 10,800 steps on average every day for the next 3 months to raise money for the Tom Clark Foundation. Tell me, Charlie, how can people watching this video help you raise money?
Well, by watching the video is fantastic, and also you can sponsor me because I've got a Just Giving page, and we'll put details below, won't we?
Right, so details of your Just Giving page for the Tom Clark Foundation are in the description box below this video. We'll also put a link to that at the end of this video.
Absolutely.
So when people are asking for donations for charities, I think it's important to say any amount is a good amount. Sometimes these Just Giving pages pop up with like £10 or £20, but you can put other in, can't you? You can put your own amount in.
You put 50 pence in, you can put £1 in. It all goes straight to the charity itself, which divides it between lots of other charities to do with cancer and other related things. So it is a great cause, and it's a great tribute to Tom.
Right. People can read about the Tom Clark Foundation because I'll put a link to the Tom Clark Foundation website. Now, do you have a target for the amount of money you'd like to raise in this amazing campaign?
Well, I've set the target initially at £1,000, so it would be great to raise £1,000. Obviously, more than that would be amazing, but even less than that, if it's £500, £200, £100, whatever it is, it'll be great to do that, because it's going to help me as well build up my steps.
Right, brilliant. So, tell me a little bit more about your weight loss story over the last 12 months.
So last September we sat here on this very canal lock, and at the time I weighed 32 stone and 5 pounds, managed to lose 6 stone, and I'm now 26 stone and 5 pounds.
Wow.
So I've made a great start to that, long way to go, and it has been slow progress. So this is the boost I need, I think, at this point to try and increase the steps. Been doing an average of between 5,000 and 6,000 steps a day, so 10,800 a day over 3 months is going to be quite a challenge for me, to be fair. So looking forward to getting stuck in. 1st of June.
Has there been an occasion in the last so many months since you started the campaign where you have approached 10,000 or exceeded 10,000?
There has been a couple of occasions where I've done over 10,000 steps in a day, and there's been occasions where, even this week I've been touching 7,000-8,000 steps each day, so I know I need to push myself a little bit further to get to those steps. And I think the more steps I do, the more weight I'll lose, and the more weight I lose, the more steps I'll be able to do. So it is going to be an average of 10,800.
A couple of geese just went over there.
But obviously I don't want to get to the last day of the challenge at the end of August and need to do another 500,000.
Yeah. Brilliant. Well, you know all about pacing it and small bite-sized chunks and breaking down targets into small amounts.
Elephants, isn't it?
Yeah, how do you eat an elephant?
Yeah, in small bite-sized chunks.
Right, so apart from looking at the Tom Clark Foundation website...
Mark, sorry. Just need to make it clear, we've never actually eaten an elephant, because we don't want people to complain about that, because people are very sensitive towards elephants.
Apart from looking at the Tom Clark Foundation website and kindly donating if people can afford to do so, what else can people do out there to support you in this amazing campaign?
Well, if you enjoy watching our videos and you want to follow my progress, then obviously you can subscribe, get your friends to subscribe, like, and keep commenting. And also, Mark, now this is important, we've not mentioned this yet, at the end of the challenge, at the end of August, we're going to organise an event where people can come along, they can tell their stories, we can have a cup of tea, maybe even treat ourselves to a little slice of cake, and maybe a little walk as well. So we'll tell you more about that soon.
Brilliant. So another thing people can do is share the story as well, so that other people get to know your story. We are going to be sending this to the media, journalists, and hopefully we'll get some traction.
Yeah,
now, just
but it is all about the charity.
It is all about the charity, and there are peripheral benefits for you, which is wonderful. Just give us a quick summary of what you're doing and how people can help.
Well, I'm going to be doing 1 million steps in 3 months as part of my weight loss campaign, raising money for the Tom Clark Foundation, and you can sponsor that great cause by clicking the Just Giving page below. More details below here, this video.
Fantastic. Should we go and have a cup of tea at Morrison's?
Let's do that. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.